Welcome. Today we're going to explore how to find all shared audio files in a Telegram group using the new PC update. If you've ever been searching through a busy group trying to locate a voice message or a shared song, this simple guide will make it quick and easy for you. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. You can use either the desktop version you've installed or the web version, depending on what you prefer. Once it's open, take a moment to look at your chat list on the left side of the screen. Next, find the group where you want to look for audio files. It might be a music sharing community, a study group, or just your friend group. Click on the group name to open the conversation. Now that you're inside the chat, look at the top of the window where the group's name and picture appear. Click on the group's name. This will open the group information panel, where you can see details like members, shared media, and settings. Once the group info panel appears, you'll notice several sections such as media, files, links, and audio files. Click on Audio Files. This is the area where Telegram now conveniently gathers all the shared audio files in that group. In this section, you'll see a full list of everything that's been shared: voice notes, music tracks, podcasts, or any other audio files. You can scroll through the list, click on any file to play it, or even download it directly to your computer. This new update makes it much easier to manage and revisit shared content without endless scrolling through messages. Whether you're looking for a recorded meeting, a favorite song share, or someone's voice message, you can now access them all in one neat place. And that's it. Just a few clicks, and you have quick access to every audio file shared in your Telegram group. Try it out today and see how much simpler it makes your Telegram experience.